Employee documents are a core part of HR operations, closely tied to compliance and organizational readiness. Document Manager centralizes those documents into a single governed system, giving you confidence that records across your organization are secure, accessible, and managed consistently. As you begin managing employee documents, you have a clear entry point into Document Manager, bringing forms and documents together into one consolidated experience. This view brings employee documents and forms together in one place, giving you immediate visibility across your organization without accessing them from separate areas of the system. So all electronic forms completed within the system are automatically available here, giving you a complete and up-to-date view of employee records as work is completed. And other documents or forms, including historical records or files from outside systems, can also be stored here. This helps create a centralized view of employee documentation before you begin reviewing, filtering, or taking action. So instead of searching for documents, you can organize and work with them intentionally, focusing on exactly what you need. You can start by narrowing down this list to a specific employee. And this brings together all of their associated forms and documents into one place. And then from there, you can further refine what you're looking at. So this allows you to focus on specific types of employee documents like resumes, offer letters, awards, or training certificates, alongside signed policy acknowledgments or compliance-related forms, all within the same employee document experience. And when you need to locate a specific compliance record, you can narrow it down even further. So this makes it easy to review particular documents related to compliance or audit activity and respond to internal requests or time-sensitive reviews with confidence and clarity. And once you've narrowed down your list, you can select multiple documents all at the same time to review them together. So this allows you to move through documents efficiently without opening and closing individual records. And here documents are presented in a continuous view, making it easy to move from one record to the next while staying focused on the task at hand. And this approach is especially useful when reviewing compliance forms, validating completion, or preparing for an audit and internal reviews. And for certain documents, protecting the record is just as important as accessing it. When a document is locked, it can no longer be edited or deleted, ensuring the record remains intact when it matters most. Without system-level protection, safeguarding documents often relies on manual controls, such as limited access, naming conventions, or internal processes, which can break down over time or under pressure. So document lock removes that risk by enforcing protection directly within the system, so sensitive records remain secure regardless of who accesses them. And this is especially important for compliance and legal documents, where confidence depends on knowing records are protected by design. And there are times when documents need to be shared outside of the system, such as for audits, legal requests, or internal reviews. So you can prepare a group of documents for export in a single step. This allows you to respond quickly when documents are requested while maintaining confidence in what is being shared. It helps ensure the right documents are included and delivered together, reducing manual effort and the risks associated with missing records. And for forms that require certified electronic signatures, Document Manager supports a native DocuSign integration using your existing DocuSign account. This ensures signature records are compliant and audit ready. The DocuSign integration allows employees to sign documents directly within the system to collect certified electronic signatures. Rather than walking through the signing process itself, let's look at what this looks like once a DocuSign-enabled form has been completed. Here you can download a single zip file that contains both the signed form and the certificate of completion. These records are retained together, confirming that everything needed for compliance and audit purposes is captured and stored in one place. This gives you confidence that certified signatures are complete, verifiable, and readily available when needed. In addition to managing employee documents, the document resource area is where you maintain the foundation of your document strategy. This is where you can upload and manage employee documents, access system-maintained electronic forms, and configure custom forms used across your organization. From here, you can also assign forms as part of your HR processes, ensuring that the right documentation is collected consistently and stored automatically within Document Manager. And Document Resources also supports governance behind the scenes. This includes managing data retention policies and running electronic form audits, helping you maintain compliance and visibility without relying on manual tracking. So together, this ensures documents are not only collected and signed correctly, but governed intentionally over time. So as you can see, Document Manager brings employee documents and forms into one centralized, governed experience, giving you clear visibility across your organization. By simplifying how documents are managed, protected, and validated, it helps reduce risk and ensures records are ready when they're needed.